All right, this is one I've had in the tickle trunk for a while. Started with the name, the Knot Board Game. And I kind of imagined it as
The Knot Board Game?
Not board game, knot. So I was looking at knot tying apparatus.
knot.
Yeah, like a knot station.
Well, man.
I've got this
all
little
right.
problem where I can learn a knot, but then I never get to use it. So here's what I've got. I looked at the Cub Scouts and Boy Scouts designs for these little knot tying stations, and they just make a little shelf, and they usually have a little piece of dowel going across so you can make your hitches. So what if it also doubles as a toilet paper dispenser? So when you have a little extra time, you can practice your knots.
Do you wash your hands before you touch this rope?
There's hand sanitizer.
Let's make space for 2 bottles.
Construction of this one is super simple. We just took a couple boards, stuck them together. It's got a dowel across it. The dowel doubles as a toilet paper holder. What I was thinking for that is it'll give us a pull, and you can also do some loops and whatnot on them. For the ropes, Kevin drilled some holes, tied a knot on the back of the rope, and fed it through.
You know what, man? Without seeing a knot, it's impossible to learn a new knot.
What about a little phone holder for like looking up the knots? All right, let's learn a few knots here.
Round turn, 2 half hitches.
I don't know how to do it. You show me.
A round turn is just like a round turn.
I think everyone needs one of these in their house, especially if they ever do any boating, any nautical stuff.
See, and you can overlap and get a little bit of tightness. Yeah, 2 half hitches. 1 half hitch falls apart, 2 half hitches locks.
If you don't know how to tie knots, build yourself a knot board.
Oh, very nice.
Sheep bend.
This is excellent. Why does it have to be in the bathroom again?
Doesn't have to be in the bathroom, but, you know, it gives you something to do. Shall we go install this in the washroom?
Yeah, let's go see where we can put it.
We mounted the whole thing to the wall on hinges, so it will lay flat against the wall. But if you actually want to sit on the throne and play a game, then it swings over 90 degrees and you can do your business.
I kind of want to get out of here.
Sometimes you're just kind of sitting around looking for something to do. You can take the ropes and practice.
When it comes to knots, we're in business while doing our business.